cleaning it all up. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true, baby.
So right now I'm just sectioning off her hair. The foundation that I'm using is the Beehive. I use it for most of my clients, unless I'm doing a lace closure or frontal or braids, then I do a different foundation. But usually when I'm doing a basic sewing, traditional sewing, whichever one you go by, I usually do the Beehive. And I have two. You see on the other side, you can't really see it, but on the other side I already have that side braided down, and I'm braiding the other side of her head. And if you don't know, you can leave in the comment section if you would like for me to make a video. Yes, I know my lighting is bad, but eventually I'll get better with my videos. So I'm not going to talk through this whole video, but just take a look what I'm doing. So as you see, I finished my foundation, and the first track I always put under the braid. I don't know if all stylists do that, but me per se, I do. So my first track I always go under the first braid, and then when I get to the end, I flip my track. I don't cut my tracks, none whatsoever. Unless you bring me cut up tracks, that's only how I would sew in cut up tracks. But I prefer not to, because I have to scramble through all the tracks to find which the longest, which I don't have time for that. So basically you see me sewing down and I flip my track over. And I usually just do this side to side from ear to ear until I get to the front part of the head. So I'm going to continue to do that. And when I get halfway through the head, I'm going to come back and just let you watch this and see what I'm doing. We finally made it. I finally got to the top of the head. Excuse my phone. I'm all over the place. I just wanted you to see the top of the head because I was almost done. And as you can see, I'm still sewing on the remaining amounts of the tracks. I was trying to get her to tilt her head a little towards me so y'all could see what I was actually doing. But I'm going to keep saying this 1,000 times. Until I get everything I need for my videos, they're going to be kind of different, but nobody's stuff is perfect. So just go with the flow. As long as you can see what I'm doing, that's fine. But I'm still sewing down. Hopefully this video don't be too long because I'm new to this. And yeah. I hope you enjoy my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.